In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth to Land Rover. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your smartphone and connect it to your Land Rover. Regardless of the model, you will be able to connect your smartphone and get them to work together. So you will be able to play audio from your smartphone, you will be able to use functions like maps and so on. In order to establish this Bluetooth connection, first what you have to do is tap on the option to connect phone. So on the home screen of your Land Rover touchscreen here, you will find connect phone. So choose this option. This will appear if you have no device connected. If you already have devices connected, you might have to go over to the phone category to add new ones. But assuming this is your first time, you will see the connect phone option on the home screen. Now you will see the option to pair a new device at the top left. Tap pair a new device and set up Bluetooth on your smartphone. So go into the settings and head over to the Bluetooth category. In here, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, after you tap the pair new device option on your car's screen over here, it should appear on the list of available devices nearby. So for example, you might see Land Rover or another name labeled here. Then tap on the Land Rover and it will be listed on the devices. And once it appears on this list, you will then be able to use the audio functions, the maps functions, anything else over Bluetooth. And this will work for both Android and iOS. It doesn't matter as long as you enable Bluetooth capabilities on your smartphone and you choose the option to pair a new device. They are going to be discoverable to each other, so it is extremely simple to do. Once you see the Land Rover on the list, just select it and the connection will be established. And you only have to do this manual process once. Afterwards, they will automatically connect once they come in proximity with each other. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth to Land Rover. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.